Hi, everyone. I'm Nambi, and with me are Ben, Ali, and Miniyama. Today, we have chosen to talk about smart glasses. I'm excited to share about smart glasses. So, what is smart glasses? It's a wearable device that functions like regular eyeglasses.
So, when were smart glasses made? Smart glasses were invented in 2022 in Sweden and came out for everyone to use in July of that year. Now, let's talk about what makes smart glasses special. It has cool features like voice commands, gesture recognition, and display capabilities.
This technology benefits society by enhancing accessibility to information and facilitating communication, bringing positive changes in our daily lives. To make smart glasses, they use things like lightweight frames, durable lenses, and advanced display technology.
Why did we choose smart glasses? Because it's a revolutionary gadget. Especially for its ability to facilitate communication smoothly and enhance accessibility to information effortlessly. Like everything, smart glasses have good points, such as hands-free function and futuristic user experience. But there are also some privacy concerns and a need for improved battery life. In the future, we believe smart glasses can get even better with improved design and compatibility with other smart devices.
Thanks for listening. We hope you enjoyed learning about smart glasses. Any questions?